Spigen PowerArc ArcStation Pro lineup. Which one is for you? Apple 5 watts, Spigen 20 watts, Apple 18 watts, Spigen 30 watts, Apple 60 watts, Spigen 100 watts. And that's how I'm using the Spigen 100 watts to power my MacBook Pro as well as the iPad Pro down here. Dual Type-C ports. We can use it like this, a supercharging power strip. Let's do a size comparison to put them into perspective. This is the original 5 watts charger from iPhone. 20 watts, 40 watts. The 18 watts charger from iPad Pro 11-inch from last year. 18 watts, 30 watts. The original first gen 12 watts Apple charger, Apple iPad. 2013 MacBook Pro charger, Type-C, 60 watts, 70 watts. And this is the 100 watts Spigen GN Tech. So much smaller, and it has 40% more power than the original Apple charger. It has dual ports. First test, the 20 watts Spigen charger. It does not consume any power when it's idling like that. Okay, let's plug in the original iPhone charger, the iPhone cable, Type-C to Lightning. 52%, 14 watts already. Takes a while to get to the maximum charging power, around 18 watts. Okay, that's about 18 watts. I believe we'll get pretty much the similar result from the iPad charger as well. Let's try that. That's 18 watts max. This is 20 watts, keep in mind. Well, I'm only getting about 13 watts. Interesting. Okay, actually the power output from the original iPad charger is lower than this more compact version. Okay, this one features dual power delivery port, so you can share this charger with 2 people. And possibly you can also use this charger to charge the iPad. Let's see if we can max out at the 40 watts. It got to be distributing power, but the iPad would take at least 30 watts. So let's take a look at a more powerful charger, the 30 watts version. So these are 20 watts, 40 watts, 30 watts. For the iPad. And of course, you can safely use it with the iPhone as well. There's nothing wrong with using a more powerful charger to charge less powerful devices. I'm currently at 61%, and now it's 27 watts, 28, 29. So that's the maximum 30 watts right there. Okay, slightly higher than the rated 30 watts because there is charging conversion loss. 61%. 61. Let's try the original Apple charger for the MacBook Pro 13-inch. Okay, around 30 watts. 32 max. There could be something wrong with my laptop battery though. Yeah, that's the original Apple charger. Let's try the Spigen 70 watts. And there's a 100 watts. The power distribution between these two are obviously shared. Okay, slightly higher than the original Apple charger. And of course, additionally, you can use it to charge other like bigger power banks, like the Jackery, which supports a Type-C input. Okay, let's try the 100 watts, see if it makes a difference. This is the 100 watts dual port, 70 watts dual port power delivery. Looks like my MacBook Pro is only able to max out at 30 watts, maybe. For the 100 watts charger, I'm able to max out at 90 watts using these Jackery and Rockpal power stations. They both take in the power delivery port as the input. So the maximum I could get out of these two battery banks is at 90 watts. But keep in mind, the Jackery is at 92% charged, so it's not actually charging at full speed. To sum up, it's always a good idea to get the most compact charger for travel, and if you want to share it with someone, use this dual port, which can do 40 watts as a 20 watts shared. And if you only want to get one charger, then of course get the most powerful one, the 100 watts, or the 70 watts based on the power consumption of your device. Well, and the 30 watts is perfect for the iPad or iPhone. You can always safely charge the iPhone using any of these larger power output chargers, because the charging power is determined at the iPhone level, not by the charger. You can always do it safely, no matter it is 30 watts or 100 watts. These are again GAN tech, and they're super compact and extremely power efficient in such a compact size. Modern GAN technology, I wouldn't recommend using the old Apple chargers. These are very high quality, don't get me wrong, but these are super bulky, and in the same size, it delivers less power and takes so much more space. Again, this is 60 watts, 100 watts, 5 watts, 20 watts.